Message I have always held deeply close to my heart and put into practice in life. Once a Bal Vikas student, always a Bal Vikas student.
Golden moment of my cricketing life. I don't think I have expressed anything like that in my career, where the entire nation got together and they were celebrating. And that was only possible because of the blessings of our well-wishers and our gurus, and above all, Baba's blessings. It gave me the inner strength to go out and give my best, and reassured during all those challenges whenever I was on the field. It reassured that face those challenges without any fear because Baba is with you.
I pray to Baba to bless our Honorable Prime Minister in his mission. Jai Sai Ram.
A stamp featuring Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba's divine form, the form so dear to millions of hearts around the world.
करोड़ों अनुयायी बिना किसी स्वार्थ के इस काम में लगे हैं। मानव सेवा ही माधव सेवा है। आज यहां इस कार्यक्रम में भी हमारे बीच ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन पर सत्य साई बाबा के संदेशों का गहरा असर हुआ और उनका पूरा जीवन बदल गया। जैसे रायलसीमा में पीने के पानी की गंभीर समस्या थी, तब ट्रस्ट ने 3000 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा लंबी पाइपलाइन बिछाई। ओडिशा में बाढ़ प्रभावित परिवारों के लिए 1000 मकान बनाए। जो गरीब परिवार पहली बार श्री सत्य साई अस्पतालों में आता है, वो देखकर दंग रह जाता है कि अस्पताल में बिलिंग का कोई काउंटर ही नहीं है। सभी श्रद्धालुओं को प्रेम, शांति और सेवा के इस यज्ञ को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हृदय से शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। साई राम।
Koti pranams at the divine lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagwan. Following Maharashtra is the serene and spiritually rich state of Goa, carrying in devotion the presence of Sri Mangesh, the beloved form of Lord Shiva, worshipped at the historic Mangeshi temple.
Next comes the students of the Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, Anantapur campus, marching with grace that heralds the arrival of the moment we have all been waiting for.
Vice President of India, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, on this glorious occasion of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba centenary celebrations.
ఆయన చెప్పిన సిద్ధాంతం లవ్ ఆల్ సర్వ్ ఆల్.
Today we all say open heart surgery is not a big operation. The service is available all over the country. But in those days, when I was very young, people used to come here to have their open heart surgery free of cost. That means Baba's love for the poor is immense.
हम व्यक्तिगत और सामूहिक स्तर पर ऐसे सभी प्रयास करेंगे जिससे विश्व में शांति को बल मिले और संपूर्ण मानवता का कल्याण हो।
साई के वास्ते
गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै अग्निवर्णान् तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं पशुमान् भवते य एवं वेद।
of the glorious 100th birthday celebrations of our most beloved Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. The past 10 days have seen Prashanti Nilayam dazzling with billions of lights.